kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. To show you medium sized pot, large cups of hot, steam it up. That was hot quick. But the large cups of hot water. What are you doing? Part 1. Cloves. This is some cloves, fresh cloves, guys. Alright, that's cloves. If you don't know how they look, this is how they look like. The seeds. Yeah. This is bay leaf. I'm gonna put 3 of them inside of it. Find the next one right here, put it inside of it. Rosemary. Yeah. Perfect for detoxing of the body, building up the inflammation and get rid of that inflammation which build up in your immune system. Yeah. Ginger. This is turmeric. Alright, very staining. Water is so cold that it doesn't even want to come through the pipe. All right, see that? That's all of that beautiful and amazing one. So what we're going to do, got some lemon. Yeah. I think we're gonna have some snow. It's gonna fall. Yeah, man. It's gonna come. It's freezing. Alright, so when it's like this, that looking good. We got the good bay leaf, rosemary, ginger, cloves, lemon, turmeric. What more do you need in this kind of weather? Powerful. Alright, that is powerful. Yeah, man, that is powerful. Now, and Nicole, thank you so much. Turmeric, yeah, and ginger. Make sure you have ginger and some cloves. The weather outside is freezing cold. All right, people, see that? And this we need right now, and that is a kind of weather. Yeah. Look at that. Medicine. That is what I'm talking about right there. If you don't want to drink it, it is your responsibility. All right, I can't say to you, say, go into the kitchen and do what you want to do. All right, it is your responsibility, guys. I want you to see what I'm doing. See, this is powerful. They could leave this in it, you know. All right, but you don't have to. All right. Yeah, that's what I like. The bay leaf. All right, I do love the bay leaf. I'm gonna put some honey inside of it. Just move that. A little bit more lime juice. And a slice of your favorite. Good vibes, people. What is this? You can put just a little bit of cayenne pepper in it. All right, not too much, because you don't want it too spicy, and you're not gonna enjoy it. All right, or you can use black pepper if you like to. Now, what you can do, put some olive oil, or you can use coconut oil. Just a pinch of it. All right, and that make it effective more. So some people might have watched the video and they just come off of the video because they only see the first part. Because I'm gonna hold my video for the last bit. So some people You might, this is the most important part of the video, the last bit, okay? It's just like a movie you're watching. At the end of the movie, you want to see what happened, to see part 2, is it? Yeah, the last bit is so important, more than anything else, because the oil and the pepper going to help you to activate more in your immune system. And that's why I like to do it like that. If not, you can crack a little bit of black pepper inside of it. All right? Yeah. So this is like a movie you're watching. So you need to see the last bit of what's going to happen in the movie. A good vibes. People, you don't know the thing, go. The only thing I can tell you this evening, there's a massive 50% off the book right now on Amazon. Then just give me the latest update today, the latest update. I just get it not too long. Go over and grab yourself a copy and support the progress. There's a big 50% off right now. From poverty to purpose. Chef Ricardo's secret recipes to success. A good vibes. People, the time is moving fast, more than anything we would expect. Only a few days left for Christmas. All right, we're gonna try this one. Wow, now you can taste the rosemary inside of it and the cayenne pepper. Mad. Wow. If you are taking strong medication, make sure you speak to your doctor. It is important for you to speak to your doctor. Okay? If you are taking strong medication. Okay? Speak to your doctor. Good vibes. Alright, people? And it's a beautiful recipe for you to try at home.